Okay, this time we will learn about the other 3-point piece, the bishop. Just like the knights, both sides have 2 bishops, and they begin on C1 and F1 for white, and C8 and F8 for black. Bishops move diagonally. You should remember that term from a lesson on pawns. It means on a slant. However, unlike pawns, bishops are stronger. They can move as many squares as they want. For instance, the bishop on C1 can move to D2, E3, F4, G5, and H6. It can also move to B2 or A3. One interesting thing to know is that because of their diagonal pattern of movement, each bishop is limited to half the board. Look at the black bishop on C8. Let's say we have a white pawn on H3. Even though this is really far away, the bishop can take it in one move. However, let's now say we have a white pawn on C7. Even though this pawn is really close, the bishop cannot get there. It is not allowed to move straight down, so the next best thing is to move diagonally down. Now, to try to get the pawn, it would have to move sideways, which it can't do. The next best thing is diagonal sideways, but it is still not reaching its target. It can then try to move diagonally up, but once again, it is off mark. Eventually, you just end up playing Ring Around the Rosie without ever getting there. Bishops are therefore like trains. They are very fast, but they must stay on the tracks. In this case, the tracks are the color they start on. Okay, Chess NYC, let's do this. Back to work.